I'll just show you how to replace the battery in this 2013 Hyundai ix35 key. You know, you'd probably be tempted to stick a screwdriver in there and clip it out, but that's to hold it in the dashboard. So press that little button, open that up. Now, one of the good things with the Hyundai key is the slot is there. The end of the key makes a perfect tool for prising the key open, the remote open like so. So that's easy done. You probably need something just to scoop the battery out anyway, but and that's the battery, and that is a CR2032, which is probably the most common one. And in there, you see there, it shows the battery going in, negative side down. That is the negative side, that's the positive side. So press that back in there. Put the two halves of the key together, clip them together like so, blade back in, that's it done.